quite a lot has happened in the past few years that made me go, who am I? When I came out to my parents, it changed a lot for me. And that's why I feel like now I'm looking for family externally. So it worked really well with the gym side of things because the vibe and the community, being accepted and, you know, being part of a community made me realize that's exactly what I want from a family, being part of something, you know, and that's who I am, being part of something. And supporting each other and being respectful. So as who am I? I would say someone that likes to be part of a community and give to my community and be loyal to my community, because that's family. Because I'm really close to my mom, and my mom knew about my love life. It's when I came out to my father that the whole family didn't support me. So I was very taken back because the loyalty side kind of shook in me. But we're working on that, and I'm great at communicating with my mom about this. So we're working, taking one step at a time.